Hi, I got the cheapest electric dirt bike on Amazon for kids. This is the EVMORE electric dirt bike, and now we're gonna do an unboxing in 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna show you what this bike is all about. Let's go! Okay, now we're gonna do an off-road test with the EVMORE, and let's see what's the climbing capabilities of this little kid's motorcycle. Hill climbing performance. Whoa, look at that. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, pretty cool. This one does not have a gearbox, but still you got 350 watts, which is pretty powerful, so I'm impressed. Well done.
Riding off-road is really fun. The back suspension is really good, but the front suspension is not really good.
Okay everyone, so here's the summary of the EVMORE. There are some pros and some cons about the EVMORE. So let's go for the pros. So pro number one, the rear suspension is really good. Pro number two, the motor, 350 watts motor, is really powerful. It's amazing. We actually went up a hill like this and it was capable of doing this. So hill climbing capabilities are really good. Third pro is the range. So the battery is really powerful and it got a long range. And here are the cons. So not so good is the front suspension. It's really hard and it's suspending maybe, I don't know, 2 centimeters or something like that. The rear brake is powerful enough, but for a steep decline it gets really hot and it's squeaky after a while. And we got no front brake, which is also a bit of a bummer because you actually need a front brake when it's going really down. So these are the cons, but all in all, for the price tag of $329, this is a wonderful bike. My son loves it and I love it too because I can go running and he's taking the bike and we have a long range for running out in the nature. So thank you very much for watching. Click the subscribe button below and then see you next time. Thank you guys.